Hello, Mr. Lee. So we are doing the problems here. So just taking some problems. For example, here is evaluate using the properties of logarithms. And there's A, B, and C for problem 1. And looking at the properties of logarithms, so we go and look at the product, quotient, power property, base B, logarithm of base B, logarithm of base 1, and then basically saying the log of b, if the base is also b, then the exponent of that is equal to the whole expression here, right? And then similarly looking at all those. So looking at this, it was difficult to understand how that applies to this, especially looking at the answer, what the answer was. So looking at the answer, it was 7 for A, minus 5 for B, and then 21 for C. Now, if we look at this, and what my daughter did is she expressed those in terms of the coefficients. Basically, the 8 was expressed as 2 cubed, and the 16 was expressed as 2 to the 4th, and basically 8 times 16 is equal to 2 cubed times 2 to the 4th, and then combining those is 2 to the 7th. And it looks like what you were looking for is that exponent, 7, okay? And then in this case, the base is 2, okay? Now looking at this other problem, 9 over 27 times 81, expressed as the factors, in this case 3, then 9 is equal to the 3 squared, 27 3 cubed, and 81 3 to the 4th. Then combining them, the bottom one's 3 to the 7th, and then simplifying that further is 3 to the 2 minus 7, which is 3 to the minus 5. And that's, looking at the problem, that's what that minus 5 appears to correspond to, okay? And then similarly here, 125 to the 3rd power times 25 to the 6th, replacing the 125 to 5 to the 3rd, that being in parentheses, and then replacing the 25 by 5 squared gives that. So multiplying 3 times 3 gives 5 to the 9th power, and then multiplying 6 times 2 gives 5 to the 12th power. Now combining those gives 5 to the 21 power. And apparently that's what you were looking for here. At least if we look at the answer, that's what 21 corresponds to. So we in this case evaluate using the properties of logarithms. That part was difficult because again, looking at the properties was difficult to see how they would apply. But in this case, it's really more the exponents, right? And reducing them to factors and then combining the exponents, all right? So it's just some of the context that we were struggling through this document, okay? And this is feedback we're giving to you.